Every new chat, Claude forgets everything. Your context, your preferences, your project, gone. You re-explain yourself from scratch every single time. There is a fix, and most people using Claude have no idea it exists. Here is what is actually happening. Session 1, you spend the first 10 messages explaining who you are, what you are building, and how you want things done. Session 2, you do it all again. Every re-explanation burns tokens, eats context, and wastes the first 10 minutes of every session. It is not a Claude problem. It is a setup problem. The solution is a 3-layer memory system. Layer 1, projects. A persistent file store where your documents, templates, and reference files live across every session. Layer 2, CLAUDE.md. Your permanent instruction file, role, rules, style, constraints. Claude reads this before every response. Layer 3, session-notes.md. Your live working memory, where you are, what is next, what broke last time. Set these up once. They run automatically from then on. Layer 1 is projects. Think of it as a filing cabinet that Claude always has open. You upload your files once, templates, brand voice docs, config files, technical references, and they are there every session. No re-uploading. No re-explaining what the file is or why it matters. Your CLAUDE.md and session notes. MD files live here too. It is the foundation everything else sits on. Layer 2 is CLAUDE.md. This is your permanent brain file. It contains your role definition, your output rules, what Claude should never do, your tech stack, your workspace paths, and your start of session ritual. Claude reads this file before every response in your project. You write it once. Claude applies it automatically, every session, forever. This is the single most powerful thing you can do to improve your Claude experience. So what actually goes in Claude.md? 5 sections. 1. Your role. What kind of expert should Claude act as for this project? 2. Output style. How should responses be formatted? What tone? What length? 3. Never do. The hard rules. What Claude must never say, never use, never assume. 4. Tech stack. The specific tools, versions, and configs your project uses. 5. Start ritual. The instruction to read session notes. MD first, before doing anything else. 30 minutes to write, saves hours across every session. Layer 3 is session notes. MD. This is your live working memory. It holds your project overview, the current episode or task, exactly what you completed last session, what is next, and any gotchas to remember. At the end of every session, you update it. At the start of every session, Claude reads it. The result? Claude picks up exactly where you left off every single time without a single word of re-explanation. There is a bonus layer most people miss. In Claude settings, there is a personal preferences text box. Whatever you write here is automatically included in every conversation you have, not just in projects. Your communication style, your output format preferences, assumptions Claude can always make, things Claude should never do to you. This runs across chat, CowWork, and code. Fill it in. It takes 5 minutes and it improves every single interaction. Once you have all 3 layers set up, every session starts the same way. You open a new chat and your first message is, read session notes. MD and tell me what we are building next. That is it. Claude reads your notes, summarizes the current state of the project, confirms what comes next, and is ready to work all in message 1. Zero re-explaining. Full context. Immediate momentum. Here is the before and after. Without the memory system, messages 1 through 8 are all re-explaining context. Your project background, your tech stack, your file paths, last session's decisions, what not to do. Claude still does not have the full picture. With the memory system, message 1 is your startup ritual. Claude confirms it understands, and you start building. Same Claude, completely different starting position. Here is the core insight. You are not just prompting Claude, you are building a brain. Projects hold the files. Claude.md holds the rules, session notes. MD holds the current state. Together, they turn Claude from a generic assistant into something that knows your project, your preferences, and exactly where you left off. Set it up once. Use it every session. Forever. Now you have the 3 layers. Set them up this week. Your next session starts with Claude already knowing everything. Subscribe for a new Claude lesson every week. And comment, which layer are you missing right now? Projects, Claude, MD, or session notes? Let me know below.